In this video, I'm going to show you the only way of how you can delete your Uber Eats order history. So what you want to do is just load up Uber Eats, then click on account found in the bottom right corner. So from here, we want to click on our profile icon in the top right corner and select edit account. Now we want to go into privacy and data, the last tab here, and then go into the privacy center. So from the privacy center, we'll scroll all the way down until we see the option for account deletion. Now, if you want to clear your order history on Uber Eats, you will need to delete your account. So once you have deleted your account, you can recreate it with a new email address, but that means that you will begin from complete scratch and your orders will not be seen. Unfortunately, that's the only way of how you can clear your order history on Uber Eats. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.